Congratulations, you're getting ready to buy your new home, right? Whether it's your first home or your fourth, it's a significant investment. You might be considering going to do it alone, thinking you don't need a realtor to help you through this process, right? My name is Hugo and I serve the Chicagoland and suburbs, and I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. You might think you can go online and figure things out. You envision yourself a cozy living room with a big window, kitchen that smells like fresh coffee, and a backyard where your kids and dog can run free, right? However, every time you start looking, you're overwhelmed by the numbers, the confusing loan application process, and that nagging feeling that you might miss out on something great, or worse, make a costly mistake. Trust me, without the right guidance, I've seen it a dozen times with other clients. When you're buying a home, you need a superhero by your side, someone who will steer and protect you, who has your back, who knows how to navigate with sellers and their agents to get you the best possible price and terms. Someone is an expert guide you on this exciting yet scary and simply mystery journey to find your dream home. I may not be able to leap tall buildings or shoot spider webs from my hands, but I have a super skills you need. I understand the complex process of buying a home and have been through it thousands of times, and I know what to watch for in market trends and how they can influence your negotiation strategy. I can navigate the ever complicating local, state, and federal real estate regulations. I know which mortgage loan offers can you get the best loans for your situation. I've encountered every kind of snafu you can imagine and now how it worked through them. I'm also highly knowledgeable about our local neighborhoods. I can tell you if they're in a fly zone or what the commute times are. I can inform you about zoning and homeowners association restrictions, upcoming changes like a golf course closing or new shopping centers being built. I can explain how Melrose will affect you, how traffic patterns change throughout the day, and the distance to the nearest amenities like the grocery stores, dry cleaners, restaurants, etc. You get the picture. Sure, you can spend hours and hours online to get this information, but the thing is, you don't know what you don't know. Of all of the things you're considering, trust me, you are not thinking about what truly matters in real estate transaction. Buying a home is complicated and it's sometimes frustrating process. One of my job is to educate you before you dive in. With so many moving parts, it would take you months to help you understand all the craziness that's going on. There are numerous factors behind the scenes that cost you or save you thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. In this video series, I won't be able to teach you everything I've learned through my decades in real estate and thousands of transactions I've completed. However, part of my job is to ensure that you are educated enough about the process to feel comfortable and compete as an embark to this journey together, find your dream home. And if you're considering using another broker, ask yourself, have they taken the time to educate you? In these videos, I will. Do they have enough knowledge to write a book about the process? I have. Do they provide you with the information about different neighborhoods and home before taking you on tours? You can't get that great information about your desired area. Don't do it alone. Using my expertise and experience will definitely pay off you and make the process much less stressful. I got your back. My name is Hugo. I am with Coldwell Banker. My number is 773-550-4846. Call me for a buyer's consultation. Let's do this together.